Hello everyone, today we are going to explore one of the most iconic, most luxurious and most expensive ready to move in property of Noida, known as County 107, located in sector 107 of Noida. Total area of the property is 5 acres and it has only 4 towers, and this property only has big sizes. The clubhouse is known as Falling Waters. It is in 50,000 square feet. In this clubhouse you get 5-star luxury restaurant known as Bistro 107 and all other world-class amenities like mini theater, yoga room, gym, saloon, other facilities. If we talk about society amenities, you get a 500-meter long walkway. Then there is temple, multiple swimming pools, you get pets play area, water fountain, you get 2 kids play area, you get badminton court, sitting area, green area, walking area, jogging area, everything you get in this society. So guys, you get a triple heighted entrance lobby or lift lobby, you can say. There are few indoor games along with multiple sitting areas in the lift lobby. So guys, the tower we are going to explore is known as the iconic tower because it only have 5 BHK units. We are going to explore a 5 BHK unit which is of size 6570 square feet. So guys, in this unit you have both the views of the road facing view and the internal society view from the balconies, as you can see. So guys, this unit consists of 5 bedrooms. There will be 2 servant rooms, a puja room, a study room, jacuzzi will be there, activity area room is there, and 2 servant room with washing area is separated. So it's going to be a huge apartment guys. So guys, there are only 4 towers in this project, known as Tower A, which consists of 5 BHK, which you are seeing right now. Then there are 2 combined towers which you are seeing right now in your front, which is B1 and B2, which consist of only 4 BHK and big size 4 BHK. And there is C tower which consists of only 4 BHK. As I told you the size of 5 BHK, now let's discuss other sizes as well. There is a 4 BHK plus servant plus puja plus study which you get in the size of 4482 square feet. Then there is a smaller 4 BHK as well which is of 3500 square feet plus servant, and there are only 2 triplex villas inside the property which are of 6400 square feet, and there are only 4 duplexes which are of 12,000 square feet, one per tower. So guys, in Tower A, the iconic tower, you only get 5 BHK which you are seeing right now, which is of 6570 square feet. Then in Tower B1 and B2 you get 4 BHK of bigger size, that is 4482 square feet, and in C tower you only get 3500 square feet which is 4 BHK plus servant. So guys, this property lies between Central Noida and Noida Expressway. Noida Expressway is just 1.5 kilometers from this property. And guys, sector 104 Noida High Street Market is just walkable from this property. If we talk about rate as per today, it is 25,000 rupees per square feet. This 5 BHK cost 17 CR. Thanks for your time.